Hello, I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato. Let's unwrap something to warm up your winter evenings. Welcome to day 21 of our Advent unboxing. Day 21. Indulge in today's assortment featuring a curated selection of exquisite blends fit for royalty. All right, so let's explore what's inside this little goodie bag. This gift is a fun little treasure. We've provided you with a cozy assortment of specialty teas, including elderberry tea, harvestberry blend, and mushroom chai tea. So that way you have something special to sip on while you do your holiday sewing or gift wrapping. The teas we've included from Northwoods Tea are sustainably harvested and organically grown. So I encourage you to enjoy those peaceful moments with a special cup of tea and let the warmth inspire your creativity as you craft beautiful gifts for loved ones. And if you were able to snag one of this year's Advent boxes, we would love to see your gift items and what you're creating with the projects inside of the box. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. Thank you so much for watching today's unboxing video, and we will see you tomorrow as we unwrap another gift.